Prep for Life takes great pride in the manufacturing of the cube right here in our factory in Utah. Every cube is manufactured with great care and expertise by our American craftsmen. The cube cabinet and chamber were designed with precision by our in-house engineers. Every fastener, sheet metal bend, and component placement are to the highest standard of mechanical design for space and operation efficiency. Only the most precise tools and processes are used to create the best in-home freeze dryer for your use. Our software engineers worked tirelessly to create the most efficient processes for drying the foods you want to store and eat in your home. Their primary goal in creating the software was for your ease of use, and we were so excited to introduce our patented moisture sensing technology to be more accurate in letting you know your food is dry. The assembly of the cube is watched over with accuracy to make sure that every wire, panel, component, and screw are precisely placed to make every cube the greatest home freeze dryer on the market. The final testing and touches are placed with you in mind so that you have the most intelligent home freeze dryer. When you place your order, you can know with certainty that the product placed on the truck headed to your home will serve you for many years to come. We at Prep for Life stand behind every cube that leaves our factory because we watch over every step of its creation. The Cube, the most intelligent home freeze dryer created. Let all your adventures be cubed regardless of where they take you.